Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to sync your Google Authenticator across the devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to transfer the access to different devices, you just simply have to open your Authenticator application at first, and after that tap into this three bars into top left corner, and from there you will get to see this transfer accounts option. Just simply tap into transfer accounts and then you will get this export accounts option. Just simply tap into export accounts option and use your device pattern or your biometrics to unlock this section, and then after going into there you just simply have to select the accounts which you want to use across the devices. Then after that just simply tap to next button and you can get the QR code, and after using that QR code into other devices you can easily sync Google Authenticator or use it across the devices. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.